So you want to know how much to charge for pressure washing jobs per square foot? Well, I'm going to let you know a quick way to do it right now. Welcome to Flipping Fresh, man. There's a lot of ways to skin a cat when it's talk about this pressure washing stuff. So I've got a quick tip for you. It's going to get in and we're going to get out and make sure you get all the information that you need to get right now. Before we do anything though, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Here we go. All right, guys, here we are on my computer and we're going to be talking about how much to charge for pressure washing per square foot. This is very easy. I'm going to show it to you really quick. This is our quick tip for today, and we're going to get to it right now. So let's go talk about driveway. All right, if you're looking at a driveway, you're going to need anywhere from 12 to 20 cents per square foot, okay? And that is pretty standard. Some people just like to eye stuff and then they just give a price off the eye. But this will make it easy for you so you don't have to ever worry about it, okay? So let's say for a house. On a house, you're going to be looking anywhere from 20 to 30 cents per square foot. And I actually want to change that to 35 cents. So anywhere from 20 to 35 cents per square foot, and that is going to get you your price for your house. So how do you do this? It's very simple math. All we have to do is take our square footage, and then you're going to multiply by your price. Okay, so let's say the house is 1,000 square foot. Okay, then you're going to multiply that by, let's just say 20 cents. Okay, that is going to give you $200. Okay, that's easy math for you to get, right? Same thing for the driveway. So let's say your driveway is a 10 by 10 square. Okay, you multiply 10 by 10, it's going to give you 100 square foot. All right, then we're going to take that 100 and we're going to multiply it by our 15 cents a square foot, let's just say that, and then that's going to give us 15 bucks. Okay, so it's really easy, simple math. You just multiply the square footage times the cents per square foot, and that'll give you the price for your job. This has been a quick tip, guys, but before we go, I want to leave you with one more gem. I told you I was going to give you something here at the end of this. If you don't want to think about it and do the math and you want to be quick, you can go to homewise.com. It's HOMEWYSE, homewise.com, and sign up for an account. It's very, very, very free, and you'll hit maintenance costs. All right, and this will take you to this screen. All right, and you want to go to, make sure you click on maintenance, and we want to click on power washing down here. So it has all of these calculators that you can look at that'll give you the going rate for your area. All right, your area specific, so you can price off of that. It's going to be so much easier. Okay, so let's say you just want to power wash a house or a driveway or a deck or a mobile home. All right, all these type of things you can do. So let's just say we want to go power wash a house. All right, so we're going to do our house, and we're going to do it in their zip code 30033. Okay, then you come down here to see what do you want. Is it an exterior surface, and how many square feet is it? So let's just say for a 1,200 square foot home, in the 30033 area code, zip code, 30033 zip code, you're going to be looking at 211 on the high end, 168 on the low end. Now that's if you're using mid-grade brand cleaning products, you are unlicensed, unbonded, and your exterior is a regular one-story house. Now, if you want to do a two-story house, you just move your exterior up to two level in a rectangular format. All right, there's no special oblong shapes or anything, just regular rectangle, 1,200 square foot regular rectangle. It's going to be anywhere from $220 to $274. Okay, that's simple, easy math. Again, if you wanted to do something even larger than that, let's just say a 2,000 square foot home. All right, 2,000 square foot home. Let's say we're using the lowest cost cleaning products. All right, maybe we're getting some pool essentials or something. All right, let's just say we're licensed. All right, we're licensed, we're bonded, we're insured. A 2-level home. It's going to be anywhere from $426 to $528, and that's the going rate for your area. All right, for this area, it's going to be the going rate. So you can always stay within the low to high range. So if you're just starting out, you want to be closer to this, 426. If you're a little bit more experienced, then you can go for this or a little bit under that. So if I was pricing this home at 2,000 square feet, it's a 2-level. For me, I have flat rate pricing, so I would charge $200 anyway. So I'm going to be under this low, but I could charge all the way up to $528 for a 2,000 square foot home, and it'll be average price for this area code. So you always have this at your disposal, so use it wisely, guys. Use it home wisely. Haha, pun intended. All right, this has been Mr. Fresh with a quick tip. I'll see you later in the next video. You dig?